Hello guys, please welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to solve all the problems that come with trying to install apps from the Play Store. Let's dive straight into this. Alright, so I am right now in the Play Store and trying to install this particular app, and I've been met with this particular pop-up menu, which means I cannot be able to install this particular app that I want to install. There might be various reasons for this particular issue of not being able to install apps from the Play Store. First of all, what you have to do is to go ahead and then turn off your data and then turn it back on. That is if you are sure you have an internet data, but maybe you may not have a proper working internet data at that particular moment. The second option, which I am facing right now, is having a storage being full. So what you need to do, first of all, if you tap onto the install menu and you are going to be shown this particular pop-up menu, sometimes you will not be shown this, but what you will have to do is to go ahead and then scroll your phone this way. Once you scroll down, you are going to be met with a storage being full. So what you have to do is to tap onto that particular option that is going to drop down. If you scroll down the screen this way, once you've got this particular option, now this is what you have to do. Make sure you are going to uninstall some apps that you think are not actively used on your phone, or they are not being engaged that much. What you have to do is to click on them, and once you click onto the particular app that is not constantly being used on your phone and have taken a huge amount of space on your phone, go ahead and continue. Now once you've tapped onto continue, you are going to delete the app, and then that will give a way or a space for you to go ahead and then install the particular one that you want to install from the Play Store. So quickly you are going to tap onto continue, and these apps that you have ticked are going to be deleted from your phone, and with that you are going to continue with the installation that you wanted to install on your Android device. Now basically that is how it works, but if these methods are not working properly, you can go ahead and then restart your Android device and then try installing the app again. As you can see, the app currently is getting installed after I have deleted those apps and then making a way for space to be available to contain this particular app that I want to install. What you have to do if this problem is not fixed on your phone, quickly go and tap onto your profile icon or your Google Play Store profile icon this way. Once you've tapped onto that particular option, you are going ahead to tap onto settings. So go ahead and then tap onto settings. You are going ahead onto network preferences. Go ahead and tap on it, and you are going to tap onto app download preference, and make sure this particular option is placed onto over any network. And what this means is that if you are using maybe internet data on your phone or on your device, you can actually be able to install apps. If it is the Wi-Fi that you have connected, that I'm using currently, you can also be able to install apps. But if you place it on Wi-Fi alone and you are using your internet data itself, you cannot be able to install apps. So make sure it's placed onto the first one. If that hasn't been able to help you with the issue that you are facing, quickly go onto settings on your Android device very quickly. The last thing that you also have to look out for is going ahead onto your Play Store application. With this, you can find this at the apps. So quickly search for where you can find apps. Now when it comes to looking out for apps on your Android device, the options might be different depending on the phone that you use. With this particular phone, you can find it at app management. Some phones have it as apps, some have it as app and notification. So if you tap onto the app, you are going onto app settings. Right here you are scrolling all the way down onto the Google Play Store. So very quickly, once you locate that, you have to tap on it, and once it has been opened up this way, you have to scroll down onto storage and cache. Right here you are going to tap on clear caches. So very quickly you clear the cache available in the Play Store, and that is going to actually renew or maybe refresh the Play Store for you. And once that has been done, you are going ahead and doing the same thing for maybe the Google Play service as well. Going ahead onto the app, that is the Google Play service, tap on storage and cache, and right here you are going to clear cache. Now basically these are the steps that you can go through in order to actually fix that particular challenge of not being able to install apps from the Google Play Store. Thank you so much. I believe this particular video has been very helpful in helping you on how to fix that particular challenge. Please have a great day.